A small company purchased a new copy machine for $16,500, and the company's accountant plans to depreciate, which means to devalue, for tax purposes, the machine to a value of $0 over 5 years. If V is the value of the machine after T years, and V of T is a linear function, what is the slope of V? What does the slope represent in this context? So we have some indirect information given to us in this word problem. The first thing we have is a point right here. It doesn't look like a point initially because it's just one value, but a small company purchased a new copy machine. So this is new. So this means that the time that they've had the copy machine is 0. And that means the value is 16,500. So we could write that as V of 0. The value at time 0 is 16,500. Rewriting that as a point, it would look like 0 for the x and 16,500 for the y. Then we have some more information. It says here that they want to depreciate, which means take the value off, go down in value, the machine to a value of $0 over 5 years. So that means that at the end of 5 years, so our time would be 5, they want the copy machine to be worth $0. This is a second point. We can say when x is 5, when our time is 5, the y value would be 0. The value of the function would be 0. Now it's asking us to find the slope of the function v of t. So it's asking us what is the slope. Well, slope we know is our formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So if we substitute in our values, let's label them first. This is our first point, so x1, y1. This is our second point, so x2 and y2. If we substitute in y2, we have is 0, minus y1, which is 16,500, all over x2, which we have is 5, minus x1, which is 0. So this will give us 0 minus 16,500. So negative 16,500 all over 5 minus 0 is 5. And so 16,500 divided by 5. So that's going, keep a negative divided by a negative is a positive, and that's going to be 3,300. So what does the slope represent in the context? Well, this is the slope of our line. So it means that this machine is going to depreciate, which means the value is going to decrease by about $3,300. Now, in this case, it worked out evenly because our numbers were nice, but it's going to depreciate by $3,300 each year. So that means the value decreases by $3,300 each year.